No, I don't think so. Oh shit, we're live. Welcome back to Cooking with the Captain, where I drink Captain to diets and cook crazy shit for you guys to try at home. Today I'm going to bring you my Strawberry Fields burger. It's a pretty crazy burger, but it was a pretty popular burger the moment back at the restaurant earlier this year. So, watch the video, drop me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and then subscribe to the channel so that way I can feel important. If you see any seasonings in the video that you'd like to try out, get over to flavoryourmeat.com, order you a couple bottles, and we'll ship them right to your door. All my sauces and seasonings I bottle by hand myself, and they have no added preservatives or chemicals. I guarantee it. So, without further ado, let's check out the Strawberry Fields video. Thanks for stopping by yet again.